Hello, welcome, and thank you. Today we are going to be discussing or edit a client user. One thing to notate is our dashboard is designed to be multi-tenant, meaning you may have one dashboard, but you may have multiple separate locations housed in one dashboard. With that, you may want a manager or a specific contact to manage each specific location. If so, that's incredibly brilliant. I'm going to show you how to do that. You're going to log into your dashboard. Over on the left-hand side menu tab, you're going to click on Client Settings. You're going to click on Add Edit Users. To edit a current user, you're just going to simply click Edit and adjust their settings. The nice thing about this is that you may give as much access or as little access to your client users, okay? If you want to add a brand new user, you're going to go back into Add Edit Users. You're going to click on Add User. And you're going to select, if you have multiple locations, you're going to select that specific hotspot, okay? And forgive me, I have everything saved in my Chrome. Then you're going to select a username. Personally, I like to use the email address as the username and the email. So let's say my email address was behg@gmail.com. Copy that and add that there, and then you will select your password. And at this moment, you will be able to grant access to these specific menu tabs. Now, user access and user visibility. What this means is user access means they are able to see and they're able to have access to that menu tab. You just noticed when I went over here to user visibility and I clicked that, it says user visibility cannot be turned off if a user access is on, okay? Meaning user visibility is so that they have access to see it but not touch it, okay? So here I am able to shut off access, but they're still able to see it, okay? So in this case, let's say we just want this new contact we've put in here to not have access at all. We're going to shut both sides off. That means they can't see the menu tab and they cannot access that menu tab. This is really good too if you have a marketing company that is currently managing your dashboard. You don't want them to have access to export any of your precious data. You're just simply going to turn these two sections off. This way they don't have access. Once you make any changes you want, you'll simply click submit and that will create your client user. Well, thank you so much for joining us